Hi YouTube, so today's video is going to be short and sweet. I am just showing you the correct way to apply liquid lipstick because it is slightly different than a regular cream lipstick. So if you do it this way, you're not going to have as much smudging, as much transferring, and I'm also doing it without a lip liner. So if you're interested in seeing the correct way to apply liquid lipstick, then keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my liquid lipstick. This is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the number 13. It doesn't say a shade title. But the first thing I'm going to do is line my Cupid's bow. So right here. And I'm going to take it and just do the top. Just an X like that. Getting a little more product, I'm going to finish and line down the sides of my top lip. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my bottom lip and do the inside of each side. Kind of lining it like I did with the top. And then I'm going to finish and line again the full bottom lip. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going to fill in my top lip and then fill in my bottom lip. And that is basically it. The last step that I do of properly applying liquid lipstick is I'm taking just a regular white tissue, fold it in half, and go like this. So that's going to help get off any lip color that's more inside your mouth and not on your lips. So that's going to help prevent you from getting lipstick on your teeth, like this, and from having it bleed around your mouth. So that is basically it. That is how I apply my liquid lipstick to last all day, not smudge or move. So if you like this video, then like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.